Come back to part 3, guys. I got rudely interrupted. Oh, what is it? Got a message. Oh, door closes. Oh, no, stop it talking, sorry. Door closes are alive. They start to talk to me. Really are. Oh, does one look absolutely gorgeous? Look at them. Oh, they look beauties, they do. I'm going to kiss each and every single one of them. When we get bored, I put a condom on and let one fuck me. Start with the big one. Don't go fast, fast, go fast. No, don't go fast, fast, go slow, slow. No, don't go slow, slow, go fast, fast. Right, so, don't know what this one is. Oh, I had a go at a dog abuser today in Edinburgh, everyone. Hate to say it. There's this homeless guy. The dog looked upset. So I saw the dog for about 20 minutes, half an hour. Saw what he was doing. Typical tramp walking down the road, staring at everyone, begging for money. And this poor dog was so upset. The dog was scared. He was dragging the dog, he was pulling the dog, he was tugging the dog. Oh, mental out, bruv. Absolutely mental. He was like, sorry, won't do it again, oh, you're that YouTuber, aren't you? You're that YouTuber. Oh no, don't put me on YouTube, I'm so sorry. I won't do that to my god dog again, I'm so sorry. Bit too late for that, mate. I've got the video and I'm going to hand it over to the RSPCA anyway. Fucking horrible cunt. I did. I threatened him, I said, the next time you hurt your dog like that again, I said, I'll tip acid on your face. And he went, ooh. Right. What is in here? Hopefully it's a cuckoo clock, because I'm getting a cuckoo clock to go under her bed upstairs, so it wakes her up every single morning. Because I'm sick of her walking on my ceiling like a fucking rhino. She does walk on my ceiling sometimes like a rhino, to be fair. She does. I've got a new motto. Each time she lumps heavy on the ceiling, I'm just going to go, oh yeah. Oh, shit. They fell down. Right. Fuck's an apron. Where's my bloody penknife gone? I ain't got one. We'll have to get a screw. Hang on. Say hello to my little friend. Do you like my sense of humour? Good. Guten Tag, guten please. Fucking taped down and all. Fuck's sake, cunt. Oh, there we go. Oh, what's in here? Oh my god, but how many's in here? Fucking hell. I don't know what's in here. And he did say to me just the door closed, the doctor, a few surprises are in store. So yeah. Oh my god, I've got another union one. I'm going to cry. I really am. Excuse me, I'm going to cry. Didn't I just say 5 minutes ago, bruv, before I started opening the boxes, I hope there's another union one? Right. So this was a gold one. Did my boyfriend buy me the skirt to go with it? We'll find out. Please tell me it's another gold one. It's another gold one! Ah! Oh my god, guys, it's another gold one. Thank you so much, mate, honestly. the guy that sent me, he's going to make me cry. He is going to make me cry. You're going to make me cry? You're going to make me cry. He's going to make me cry. I still got more to go yet. Look at all of this. You know, like when you say to yourself, I don't deserve this, but I really do. Oh my God, we've got 2 gold ones now. Oh my God, my life is complete now, as far as I'm concerned. My bling, bling, bling is my door closers. I see a chap on the street, it's like, yo fam, you got some bling, bling, bling? I'll be like, yeah, my door closes. Go away! Right, so, oh, we've got an arm in here as well. We have the arms in here, look. So we've got 2 lovely gold, brand new Union ones. God, guys, I can't tell you how happy I am. I'm over the moon, I really am. He did say to me he had a few surprises in there for me, and honestly, I can't thank him enough. Jesus Christ almighty. Wow. This is just insane. I mean, they've got a bit big on the shell, to be fair. Haven't they, if you think about it? Just a door closer, Doctor. Look at that. The size of the door closer is that, but a shell is that big. Is this for the white bottle? Do you think? It does fit it though. Seems overly big for the actual door closer. I don't know. Union. Yeah, Mum and Dad, if you ever talk to me again, I'll put a gold door closer into your life. How about that? Look at that. That is beautiful, that one. Should have a look from the side. Oh, hang on. 2 gold ones, bruv. Please give me the gold play button. I do need the gold YouTube play button. I really do. Gold door closer. Gold door closer. Yeah, definitely worth £700, that is. It didn't cost £700, but you know, it was included in the bundle. But yeah, wow. Jesus Christ. I'm over the moon, I really am. I'm lost for words. You know, like when you, oh shit. Like when you can cry and you don't know what to say because you're just so happy. Yeah. Oh. Let's just slide these ones along. I'm going to run out of space, brother. What we thinking, guys, so far? What ones do we like? Make space. Make way from the door closer one way. Oh, it was a bit squeaky. Do 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 do. Can't believe how nice they are. That's beautiful, beautiful. Do 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 do. Chads, if you're watching, please don't fucking vandalise these because I rape your mum. Be serious. Don't ever vandalise door closers. They do nothing to you, so don't hurt them because I hurt you. There we go. Oh, look at that lovely one. We'll just stick the Britain on top of the other one. Look, he's gay. He's fucking him. Oh, hang on. Got no room in there. Look at them all. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 85. 85 have been delivered, apparently. 10. 11. I don't think there's 85, but we'll see. 11. Unless there's more coming to my way. I'll be bombarded with them. I've come up the stairs with these and the neighbour was like, what's in there? It's like, again! Not really. Put your hands up! The door closed. Shush! Stop being so rude and impertinent. I'm trying to do a bloody video. If you do like this video, suck your mum, cunt. There we go. All my legs are in the way. There we go. Oh, doesn't it look absolutely beautiful? Right. Thumbs this video up, please, if you like my sense of humour. If you don't, your dog is gay. Travis, watch it if you're watching, but darling, please marry me and fuck me all night long. I love you, you sexy, handsome, tall, beautiful bastard. Let's live in a show home together and get rich with door closers. I'm being serious. Travis Watson, I want you, babe. I miss you. You're going to hold my hand when God hits the volcano with his fucking almighty great big huge meteor. Meteor. Just pretend what's going on in LA at the moment. The fires. Next minute, big huge fucking meteor comes on. We're stuck in his cock. Sorry, God! Couldn't help it. Couldn't resist temptation. Right. Oh, just look absolutely gorgeous. Where are you going to put them all? I don't know. I actually don't know, but they just look lovely. Oh, hang on. I nearly chucked that box away. Got more. There you are. Here we are, guys. Oh my God. Okay, this is a silver door closer, size 3. Look at that one. This is a nice one. Oh, a Euro spec. La 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 la. Oh, it's nice and strong. Lovely little speed on there as well, guys. Look at this one. Euro spec. What a lovely one that is. I like this one. Euro spec. Very nice, my darlings. Beautiful. Right. Not going to fit on my fucking table now. How many have we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You want to see? Oh, I got a note. Oh, it's lovely. Look at this. It's got a Britain 2004. We'll put her back in the box. Oh, she won't go back in the box, will she? No, because she just fucking put the arm on. I think that's why. Did I put the arm on? I can't remember. Did I? Did I? Yeah, I think I did. Oh, God, these look amazing. We'll just say it. Oh, we've got the instructions. Oh my God, look at this one. I'm missing an arm for the Britain. Whatever it is, might be in it. There's got to be more in here. Can't be. There can't be more in here, bub. Is there? Is there more in here? We've got an old Britain 2003. We've got a Vario 86. Oh my god, look at this one. I'm in door closer heaven. Oh wow, look at this. This is a red one. Damn. I've never seen these in all my life. Jesus. A B8KS Vario door closer. Oh shit. No. Oh wow. That's pretty dainty. That's a different design. Oh, you've only got one alternating speed on that one. Maybe you can put this one on your front door, Matthew, to remind everyone you're Satan. Yeah, true. House inspection people won't come round. I don't know why. Well, you know, when you step through my door, you're fucked anyway, so I won't bother. Probably why. Oh my god, look at the arm on that. Oh my god, bruv. Look at the finish on that. It reminds me of a telephone box finish, that does. Look at that. We know the ones on the telephone boxes. Yeah. Oh wow, I love it. I absolutely love it. That is sick. You're not ever going to be able to vandalise that at all. That is strong as fuck. Strong as fuck. Oh, I know. What's that? What's this? Oh my god, this is special. So how you mount this on the door, this is really strange. So you haven't got a sliding plate on this one. They're done the reverse thingy. So you slide this out. Never seen that in a million years. You screw that to the door, right? Then you line this up with the bracket on the door. Oh my god, I think my dad would like this one. It's quite easy to fit, you know. You put that on the door. Then you line the door closer up with the door, I think. Yeah, I am correct. And then you slide the door closer onto the door. But hang on a minute. Just pretend I'm a door, right? And you've got to put, this is on the door. If you've got to line this up against the door, whatever door you're putting it on, surely it's going to damage the door because it's rubbing against. Obviously, if you miss the side bit to obviously slide it into that bracket, this bit here, right? You know, what locks it in place? Nothing. Huh? No, that can't be right. Hang on. There's got to be something because the door closer could just slide off. Here we are. Bit like a condom. That goes in the side. There, I think. Hang on. The other way around. Oh, that is so strange. I've never seen one of these in all my life. So how is that meant to... Oh, that's no good, is it? That's a bit shit. What a shit design. So basically, right, when that's screwed on the door, yeah, just pretend that's fixed. It can slide either way, but this is supposed to stop it from coming off. But how can that stop it from coming off, just the door closer, Doctor, when it's sliding off? Makes no sense. Makes no sense at all. It's really strange. Very strange door closer. Reinforced. I like this very much. And then you've got your screw in the top that you put in there. Very nice door closer. At least with this one, you can actually fit it to it and it fits onto the cog mechanism, whereas the other ones, the Dormor new ones with the cog mechanism, you can't fucking fit them on for shit. Really can't. Nice and strong as well, guys. Preloaded spring tension. Look at that. Have we got a cap for it as well? Oh, the cap's missing, bruv. Oh, I didn't say the cap's missing. Oh, it's a shame. The cap's missing for that. Is it up my arse? No. Yeah, the cap's missing for that. Oh, what a shame. Never mind. I'll just put the door closer back in a little box. No, didn't even go in there. Thick as shit, man. Really, really, I know I'm fucking thick as shit. They're thick as shit. Kid I my ex I was with for 9 years. He's made me sick as shit. Got all the colours under the rainbow almost. It's very nice, that is. I like that. I really do like this one. There we go. Oh, hang on. I thought they were after me for Smith & Co. This fireman, darlings. Dilling-dalong. It's a fucking ambulance. Dilling-dalong in French means darling. I invented that one. I used to say to Wendy, my best friend on the phone, I used to say, "You right, Wendy?" She was like, "Yes, I'm fine." I was like, "Good." I was like, "But dilling-dalong." "Thank you, please." "Thank you, nice." I was like, good. And then, "Thank you, please." "Thank you, nice." And then, what was the other one? "I don't know what to say, but finger my poo, nanny." And I've got quite a lot of other expressions that I've made up. Yeah. Yeah. So that was a very perfect door closer, that one. Very nice. I do like that one. Where's the arm for that one, bruv? Maybe it's fucking in the box still. Union. Oh, there we are. Hang on. No, it's not in there. You could have included it. Right. Oh my god, I'm so excited. It's door closer Christmas, it really is. Is there any more in it? No, it's not. I thought there was. Should we put, can you see that? No, you can't, can you? So what we're going to do is, we're going to put you up a bit higher. What's going on? Is that better? Sorry. There we go. Ooh. What is going on, bruv? Trying to get this down. I want to play ball today. Stand on the papers at least. There we go. Fine. Perfect. So that was Union 1, Union 1. 2 unions. Let's see it all there anyway. But we'll put the boxes at the back. Oh no, because I need to like... Oh, look like I got more door closers when I'm actually put it into there. I haven't got a clue what's in here. Oh. More door closers. I can sense it and I can feel it. Apparently he had some of these for years. And I cleared him out of all of his warehouse, apparently. Lovely. Why do these door closers smell of milk? What have you been doing? Oh, here we go. Upside down. Oh my gosh, everyone. You get my reactions as I open these boxes. Hang on. Put it back around that way. See what's going on there. That's better. I'm just chewing. I've been drowned with door closers. That smells of wine. Oh my god. What's going on? Oh. I've got a weird funky smell to some of these. Okay. So, God, got some funky smells to these. Some smell weird and like wine. I had to buy some fucking hand sanitizer, I know I am. Wow. This one is in the last bit stays, I think, but we'll try and fix this one up. That's a Britain one. Nice gold one. For the gold today, aren't we? I'll give you a standing ovation. Wow. That's a nice one. I like that one. Don't know what that one's called. Complete with spiders. When it works, it's a nice one. I like that one. Put that in there. Just a door closer, Dr. Darling. I've got more door closers than you. Ooh, got an NNN one here. Oh my god, that stinks, bud. That smells like fucking decay and fucking blood. Oh wow, I like this one. Look at this one. There's another one in there as well. NNN. This little diddy one. Oh my god, I love these ones. They're so diddy. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. But that is a nice little door closer. That is diddy. They do a bigger than one of these, but I might have that in the box. I don't know. We shall see, my darlings. Oh, that feels amazing to open on the door. Yeah, I'm going to respray paint some of these and make them nice again. Do you know what I mean? That's a lovely one. Look at that one. NNN, that one. Parallel mounting. That means they're mounted on the side of the door. And this one is on the front. That means it goes on the front of the door. My dad, when I was younger, said to me, when I die, am I going to put one on my coffin? Probably. Have a go slow. And then they go, boom! Oh. Right. No, that's everything of this one, I think. It is. But they did come well packaged. Thank you so much for that. Smell though, I'm not going to lie. Get them at me for connects. We're nearly done. Oh, we're going to be done. Right, let's put the ones I've got on the door. How many have we got so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't fucking count, bruv. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Apparently he sent me 85. Okay. I do love these ones though, I'm not going to lie. They're dinky, they fit the door lovely, they're easy to fit. You've got your closing speed there, you've got your latching speed there. Just beautiful really. Just the door closer, Dr. Darling. We've got, oh hang on, let's stick that one there. Nice little selection so far. We'll show you what we've got in just a second. I've got all of these. Fucking hell. Oh, look at them. Don't they look lovely? Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Now my room smells like a fucking pub. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Fucking hell, this one's weighs a ton. Ooh. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, this one stinks as well. Stinks. I can't read this stuff. Oh my god, bruv. Oh my fucking god. Literally, he's put me some door closers in here that I've always wanted, bruv. Always wanted. Wow. Some of these I've seen on cinema doors when I was a child, and I've always wanted them, and I've just got them. Wow. Okay. Look at this. Damn. Wow. So this is a Jebron door closer. This is a bit weird and funky looking, isn't it? Damn. You couldn't vandalise this one. I like this one. This is really strong, really robust, and I can see now why they put these on doors. Oh my god. Huh? Okay. So this is the adjusting thing, so you can literally do that with your hand. Let's see what happens if I... Oh yeah, you can do it with your hand, look. Just twisted it up like that and moved it with my hand. Okay. This one feels a little bit broken. Okay, maybe not. Wow. This hasn't been used. Wow, guys. That's lovely. That is really nice. Thank you so much, Jordan. Look at that. A Jebron. Never heard of one of those before. But you couldn't vandalise this. If you tried to set this on fire, ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. You've got even the screws there, so you could undo that and put more hydraulic oil in that. That is so sick. We'll have to do that in one video. We'll take one apart, just the door closer, Doctor, and we'll clean all the inside of it, and we'll put some more hydraulic oil in it or whatever. We'll have a look. We'll have a look. Jesus, guys. Cap comes off. That there. Oh, it's like a cog system as well, guys. It's so cool. Yeah, that is lovely. Oh, I think we've got a little bit of that little thing there is for back check as well. That's so cool. I don't know if Jess the door closer will help me out with this. I don't know what that's for. Maybe that's hold open or something. But yeah, very nice indeed. Very nice. Okay, that's a Jebron door closer. Here comes the old bad boys. Here we are. Oh! This cost me a lot of money. For these two, it cost me £250. Yeah, complete with mould. Lovely. Thanks for that. Got black mould with it. Jesus. Oh my god, guys. Bit of health hazard, but never mind. Put some here. See? Wow. I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy. This is a Britain T-shaped series overhead door closer. There you go. Oh my God, here we are. Oh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oh my God. There we go. And that is the old style one, guys. That is fucking fantastic. £250 that cost me. Wow. If you want one just the door closer, doctor, the answer's no. You've got loads of these anyway. Wowee. Okay, here comes the thing to mount it on the door with, if you wanted to mount it on the side of the door, like that. God, guys, these are amazing. These last for years, honestly. These are the best door closers in the world, these are. You got your pin that goes in there. That's amazing. Look at that. We'll see if it works. That's a good idea. I've got two of these. I'll have a look at the other one in a minute. See if it works. These used to be fitted in my old school. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, it feels lovely, guys. It really does. Feels lovely. Yeah, so they shut the door. I'll explain it with these. So they're not like these door closers where you open the door and it will close slowly. You push the door open and the door will go like that, but it won't slam. So it will shut really fast, but then go really slow. It's just amazing how these ones work. It really is. Absolutely fantastic, guys. So we've got one, and we've got another one. We've got two of these. We'll put that one there. Excuse the state of my trousers, guys. I'm actually filthy. Britain T-shaped series, yeah. These old door closers, they cost a lot of money, but I tell you what, they last years. Really do. And you could not vandalise one of these either. They need to fit all these on the doors in Jamaica Street car park in Glasgow, because these would never get vandalised. You could try, but you're not going to get anywhere because they're not plastic. They're not going to catch on fire. And they're resilient to fire, like, just amazing. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. There we are. Oh! I think that's for... I don't know how you do that, what that's for. I think that's to, at the top of the nut with. But yes, guys, look at this one. Yeah, just the door closer, Dr. Darling. Should do a thumbnail. Ready? Fucking loads. It smells like a red wine in there. It smells like a pub. It really does. So, really good condition. Really happy about that. £250 that cost me. Yeah. Gotta get some food today. Damn. Would my mum have that on her conservatory door or her porch door? Quite possibly. She would, actually. Maybe if it was gold. I'm not sure what one my mum would have on her door. I think she'd probably go for this one because it's more antique-y. My mum's quite an antique-y person. Look at that one. Very nice. What do you think, Mum? Different? My mum and dad will be smiling when they see the table of my door closers. They'll be like, what are you like again, Matthew? I'll be like, I don't know. Just start collecting them. There we go, guys. So that is my Britons there. Oh, sorry, my camera's taken away. It's we've got 2 Britons here. One there. You'd call them the pot belly door closers, they do these ones. Pot belly there, one there, one there. Sorry, I'm singing Christmas songs because I literally got nothing for Christmas. And I never see anyone or speak to anyone. I hardly see a soul. So, yeah. Got some screws there. The old style screws to screw it in with. But yeah, I think we need to chuck these boxes out because they've got full of mould. Which is not really good, to be fair. No, it's not. So what I'll do with the boxes because they've got mould in. Thanks for the mould. Black mould. But we will keep this. Oh, bollocks. We'll try and keep a bit of this box. If I want to get some of these again, I have got the information, so I can give it to them over the phone. I'll be like, oh, I need some T-bone door closers, yeah. Here we go. Didn't they look lovely, guys? They really do. Even got the Allen key thingies with them. Not Allen key. Adjusters. You know, above. So we've got 3. How many door closers we've got so far? We need to put them on the door closer table, don't we? We do. So we've got damn. What are we thinking, guys? Aren't they beautiful? Take a picture. No men are ever interested in me, so I treat myself to door closers. At least the door closers are interested in me. Yeah, I know they are. Here we go. It's me, Jebron 1. So he told me he sent me 85, but I don't think so. He's probably scammed me. Yep. Right. Did I get the pin with that one? No, I didn't, did I? Nope. So how am I meant to hold the fucking arm on, you twat? He sent me all these door closers, but he hasn't sent me the pin to join it in with the actual arm. That's a bit crap, isn't it? Lovely. Okay. Do you know what this one's for? A door closer by itself in a box. Okay. Let me guess, you charged me 50 quid for that, didn't you? Probably. Didn't surprise me. Right. So let's do a count, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 door closers there. 20. I do love my little babies. 20. Oh, took a picture there, it's better. 20. Lovely. 20 there. Oh shit, nearly lost you. 20. Oh, you know, bro. You sure there's going to be 85? They got a wedgie. Oh, what's in these ones? Just make it stop. Come back for part 4 on my door closer collection. Thank you for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up. And hello, Jess the door closer doctor.